Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to log into your Cash App from another phone. To begin, if you are already logged into Cash App on your old device, you'll need to log out first to avoid any login conflicts. Open Cash App on your current device, tap on your profile icon at the top right, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. This ensures that your account is no longer active on the old device. Once you have signed out, go to the settings on your old device. Tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your phone. Find Cash App in the list of apps, tap on it, and select Clear Storage and Clear Cache. This step clears any stored data associated with the app on that device. Now, move to the new phone where you want to log in. First, download and install Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store if it isn't already installed. Once the app is ready, open it. On the login screen, you will see options to enter your phone number or email address. Use the details associated with your existing Cash App account. Enter your phone number or email address and tap on Next. A verification code will be sent to your registered contact. Check your phone or email for the code and enter it in the app. Once verified, Cash App will log you into your account. If you already have a linked bank card or debit card, your account details will automatically appear. If not, you may be prompted to link a card at this point, but you can skip this step if you prefer to do it later. If you encounter any problems during this process, such as not having access to the phone number or email linked to your account, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. Explain your issue and they can help you recover your account details. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of logging into your Cash App from another phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.